Hello, my name is Justin. I will be discussing a volunteer event I attended where I removed invasive plant species from an Ann Arbor park. The purpose is to remove non-native plant species such as buckthorn and Japanese honeysuckle. These plants have overgrown existing native plants and rob them of nutrients. Additionally, we are clearing space for wetland grasses to grow. The worksite is located at Gallup Park. The event took place in February in the early afternoon. Weather was sunny and just above freezing. There was approximately 4 to 8 inches of snow on the ground from a previous storm that had passed. Here is a map of the park. In the lower right, you'll see the meeting location in a parking lot. From there was approximately a 3/4 mile walk, denoted by the yellow line, on a path that was plowed and paved to the worksite located in the upper left of the map. Here is the worksite with the area of focus in the yellow box. Just to the right is the Huron River, and to the left is a path, and at the bottom in blue is a natural creek. These form the natural boundaries of the worksite. Here's some equipment and tools given to us by the park workers. We have a pair of cotton gloves, loppers for cutting small branches, a pruning saw for larger branches and small trees. The park workers instructed us to cut the shrubs off roughly at knee height so they could come back through with a herbicide, and this herbicide will kill the roots of the shrub system. Once the shrubs were cut back, we were to divide the shrubs up in roughly 1 to 2 foot sections and cut there. Once these cuts were made into sections, we were instructed to step on the branches to make sure there was contact with the ground for quicker decay. Some safety and health concerns were proper PPE, such as warm, waterproof boots and eye protection. Additionally, tool use and carrying safety. Also, a safer meeting area instead of a busy parking lot located by a busy road. Some recommendations. Require the use of safety glasses and, according to the worksite conditions, such as snow, proper boots. Hold the safety training in a safer location, such as in the grass or along the pedestrian path instead of a busy parking lot. To assist with taller volunteers from bending over constantly, provide the option for longer loppers. Once work started, volunteers randomly scattered throughout the worksite and ended up overlapping in areas that had already been worked. I would recommend implementing pre-marked work lanes for small groups of 2 to 3 volunteers. This would lead to better span of control and work accountability and completion. Here's an example of the work lanes. Each work lane will progress at different rates depending on the plant density in that lane. After a group completes their work lane, they can assist other lanes that have higher plant density. Once all work lanes have completed their work, the worksite work has been completed. Thank you for listening.